Okay, for those that need it, this is a quick review of the midpoint and distance formula. The midpoint I'm using a capital M for. And the midpoint formula is written as coordinates. It's literally average the two x coordinates, add them together. That's your x coordinate. Average the two y coordinates, that's your y coordinate. Okay, so it's an x coordinate on the left and a y coordinate on the right. The distance formula is a twist of the Pythagorean theorem. So if you want to draw a right triangle on your graph to do it, you can. This order doesn't really matter because when I square it, if I switch the order, I just get opposite sign, either negative or positive. And when I square it, it gets rid of the opposite sign. So here's 2 points. If I want to find the midpoint, I do add the x's. -1 plus 3 over 2. 7 plus 2 over 2. And I get -1 plus 3 is 2. 2 over 2. And 7 plus 2 is 9 over 2. Please make sure you're putting your parentheses around for coordinates. That's 1. And you can leave it as 9 over 2 or 4.5. That is my midpoint. That's all there is to it. Maybe the addition gets a little harder, but that's about it. My distance, -1 minus 3 squared. Again, with the distance formula. Oh, I messed up. This is supposed to be a plus. Plus in the middle with the distance formula. Y1 is going to be 2. I'm not writing very well. Let me fix that. 2 minus 7 squared. That's -1 minus -3 is -4. Two minus 7 is -5. -4 squared is positive 16. Remember, -4 times -4 is the positive number. -5 squared, -5 times -5 is positive 25. And that's distance equals square root of 41. And you can leave them as square roots. That one is not a square root that reduces, so that's all the further I can go with that.